Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another nail video for you guys, and in this nail video I am going to be trying on glue-on press-on nails from Clutch Nails. I got this last week from Target at my local Target for $9.99. I have been wanting some long nails. Like, my regular nails cannot grow like long, so I've been wanting some long nails, and the only way that I'm going to achieve that like ever is through fake nails. So I wanted to try them out, and I also wanted to try out this style. This is like a pink ombre or like a baby boomer type style, and I've been wanting to have that on my nails, but you know, since being a mom, I cannot justify going to a nail salon anymore and spending like $80 to $100 on acrylics like I used to, you know, pre-kids. So this is like a really good fix if you want to save money and still have your nails look nice. You guys will see like the style up close in the next clip, so I'm not gonna have this intro too long. Let's just get right into this video. Okay, so these are how the nails look like, and these are reusable nails. You get 24 reusable nails in every kit, I believe. And Clutch Nails do claim that their fake nails are long lasting and durable. You can reuse up to 5 times if you do the short wear. Natural cuticle lines, fits all hand sizes, can be shortened with a regular clipper. So if you were to get like this length right here, you could clip them down to any size you want. So in the packaging, you will find your nails, of course. A nail glue, which, by the way, this is a really good nail glue. And then you will find a good size nail file, which is not a bad nail file at all. It's actually really good. And then you will find instructions on how to apply the Clutch nails. You can either apply them for a short wear or a long wear. Today I chose the longer wear because I kind of want to have these last. Okay, so I am going to be taking the nail file that comes with the kit, and I am going to rough up my nails so that way the glue can stick better to my nails. Before this, I did push back my cuticles and I did dehydrate my nails with rubbing alcohol. Now, you don't have to do that step. I just did it because I really want to make sure that the glue really sticks to my nails. It's just a personal preference. So now I'm just going to rough up all of my nails with the nail file. Okay, so once my nails have been properly prepped, I am going to go through all of the fake nails, and I'm going to find the right sizes that best suit my nail beds. So on the back of the nail, at the tip of the nail actually, there are numbers, and I believe the smaller the number, the bigger the size, and the bigger the number, the smaller the size. If you guys ever want me to do like a more in-depth video on how to really properly choose the right nails for your nail beds, let me know, but that is what I'm doing right now. So really quick, I am showing you guys where you can find the numbers, which is at the tip underneath the nail if you're new to fake nails. Usually for me, all of my nails come in the same numbers, so then they come in pairs, but you know, sometimes that's not the case. So now, since I have all of my nails laid out, I have the right sizes that will best fit my own nails, I am going to start applying them. So for the nail glue, I do kind of just eyeball it. I did do like, I think 1 or 2 drops on my actual nail, and then 1 or 2 drops on the fake nail itself. I do it on both nails, like my nail and the fake nail, because that does help have the nail last a little bit longer. If you were to just do just the nail, the fake nail, or on your nail, then it wouldn't last like 7 to 14 days. So that is what I did. And then after that, I do hold onto the nail for 30 to 60 seconds. That is what the instructions said. It was around that time. So that is what I did. I did speed it up for you, so that way you don't have to, you know, see me just hold the nail down for 30 to 60 seconds. Oh yeah, so you can totally see that I picked the wrong nail. I picked my index finger rather than my ring finger, and then I quickly realized that I grabbed the wrong nail. So then here on out of, you know, in this video, or this part I mean, I totally make sure that I'm grabbing the right nail. We all make mistakes, and you know, I'm not perfect, so I just figured, keeping it real, I'm gonna leave that portion into this video because yeah, just keeping it real, keeping it 100. So once I have all of the fake nails on my nails, I do go in and file down the tabs. I don't know if you've noticed it. I'm trying to show you right now, but all fake nails, there's always like this tab that's at the end of the tips because of, you know, due to production. So I do just file that out smooth. At first I did want to keep the coffin shape, but then as I was, you know, filing off that nub and smoothing it out, I realized I did not want coffin shaped nails. So after I filed and smoothed down the nubs, I went ahead and just rounded these off, and I like them either way. I like them both rounded and the coffin shape, so you know, really just depends on your preference. Okay, so now I am going to be taking you guys along, and I'm going to do a wear test, and I'm going to try and do a 7+ day wear test. So let's just get right into that. Okay, so earlier today I did show you guys my 6-day update on the wear test. You could clearly see, I think you could clearly see on my left thumb and my right index finger, you could see like the top part of the nail was kind of chipping away, which that was kind of bothering me actually, because I've always worn like Kiss, you know, glue on press on nails, and you only ever get like a wear at your tips. It doesn't really chip, like the first layer doesn't usually chip for me for Kiss nails. So that's I'm comparing these nails to the Kiss nails, and that was kind of bothering me, because I don't mind the wear at the tips because that's just normal, but I do mind the fact that it was chipping on top. But overall, you know, the glue of these nails did last. Like they could have lasted me like another week, which by the way, I did take them off because on this Wednesday, July 28th, it is my anniversary and my wedding anniversary with my husband. So I took off these nails today, like a few hours later, because I wanted a fresh manicure. So I'm going to put on Kiss French glue-on nails. I'll film that for you. I think I'm going to do like a full wear test. It's just, I was originally going to do like a 2-week wear test for these nails, but this week is my anniversary, and how the nails were doing, I just didn't like that it was chipping. That's like my only issue for these nails. I think before I even bought these nails, I did a lot of you know, like researching, and I watched other people, and I think these nails, to be honest with you, I think these only last for a short wear, like if you want to wear them for 1 to 5 days. But if you want to wear them like 7 to 14 days, I think it's pushing it. Like 7 days was really pushing it. If I did another week, it would really, really, really push the nails. And it's the fake nails. The glue is like the best glue. Like comparing the clutch glue to the Kiss, it's like pretty on par. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this because #mombrain, but I did get these nails at Target for $9.99, and on their website actually, like this same design and everything it's $16.99 on their actual website. So I feel like I really got a good deal at Target for this specific style and design. So I'm gonna give you guys my like final thoughts on these nails, like if they're worth it or not. So for a longer wear, I don't think they're worth it, just because like I was starting to get like a little chipping on my left thumb, and then I got a lot more chipping on my right index finger, like the top layer was starting to chip. So for a longer wear, no, but if you were to do a shorter wear, like 1 to 3 days or 1 to 5 days, then I feel like that's more worth it, because then you can reuse them up to 5 times. So yeah, I don't know. Also, because this is my first time using Clutch nails or like any other fake nail brand in general. Prior to this, I have always used Kiss, and I have always loved just Kiss, you know, glue on, press on nails. So I'd have to like try another design, another style from Clutch nails, and then really give you like my honest thoughts. But for right now, as of right now, my honest thoughts is that these nails are worth it if you're going to reuse them for a shorter wear, shorter periods of time. Trying to use these for up to 7 to 14 days, no, these are not worth it. And I am also, like I said, I am also comparing them to you know, Kiss nails. But I mean, $10, I got them for $10. They are worth it in that aspect. But I feel like they're even more worth it if you do the shorter wear and reuse them for 5 times, if you know what I mean. So yeah, those are my honest thoughts on Clutch nails. I'm definitely going to give them another shot before I would go to that point of would I recommend them, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do another like me trying out another set from Clutch nails and trying to do a longer wear again, let me know down below in the comments, because I'll gladly do that. Also, if you haven't yet, or if you are new, please consider subscribing before you leave. Your love and your support really means a lot to me. It really does. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you guys are notified when my videos do go up. So with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.